Good morning. Sorry about that. Good morning, everybody. We got the first job report. First job report of the year. Numbers were good. Reaction was first negative. Now we are bouncing back up. Um, the key thing I'm watching the chart, and I liked seeing yellow bar on the 4 hour TTM squeeze and MACD a little bit curving up. So pre-market right now we dip down and bounce up. Gotta cover both sides. It's still possible. Maybe we dip down again, same like yesterday. Maybe possible scenario we run up and open until midday, then run down again because daily is still bearish. But if you see many names 4 hour MACD golden crosses, that's gonna be a good sign. And we'll go over that. So for now, pre-market everything looking a little bit, getting a little bit bullish. So 5, 15, 30 is upward. 1 hour is getting golden cross. I like it. 4 hour, we got yellow bar and the TTM squeeze and it's curving up. That's a good sign. NQ, same thing. It was red. Right now, almost recovered. Same like ES. Everything is up. 4 hour is curving up, and it's close to having a golden cross. And I love it that the daily stochastic fast is golden crossing. So there is a possibility it be a crazy call day, Lotto call day. So we'll see. Dow Jones. Dow Jones is resisting to go down big. It's holding up actually stronger compared to other indexes. To RUT went lower and recovered. The only thing that is hurting is TNX. That's the biggest problem. Let me show you guys. So TNX, it went above 40.42 and it's still above it. If it needs to get under it to market to bounce up harder up. So 40.42 is the key, super important level. It's still bullish pre-market, but if it goes below 40.42 and continues lower, it can help market bounce up even higher. DXY went to a 103 and it pulled back, and that's a good thing. Right now, if this pullback continues, it can help techs run up higher. Wix. Its VIX is non-stop after 8:30. It went up a little bit. It held up, but then it's pulling back right now. Again below 1373, it can make market squeezy. And pre-market right now 5:15 to 1 hour, everything is pointing down. 4 hour we got dark blue bar, and if below 1373, market can get squeezy. BTC seems like the approval is already coming out soon, so we'll see if it's gonna be sell the news or it's just gonna hold or it's gonna fly. We got light blue bar on the daily, so there is a chance maybe it goes up. There is so many applications signing up for it, and keep in mind once these ETFs get approved, they have to buy BTC, so maybe that causes fly up eventually. Apple was very interesting. It went down to 180 and bounced up. Right now, pre-market 5 to 4 hour, everything looking bullish. Still bearish on the daily and weekly. In order for fly up, need to pass 183.2. If it passes that one, we can go for 183, 185, 186. Again, if it goes below 179.51, if it passed 180, 180 was the low of the pre-market. Past that one, it can be in bigger trouble and go all the way down to 175. Amazon. It's just still in the yo-yo range right now. It's small, not so much clear direction. 15:31 hour is upward. Need to pass 145.71 for run up to 148.3. If it goes below 143.12, we're looking at 141.52 next. Nvidia showing a lot of strength, got an upgrade, and 483.86. That's again key for run up to 487. I love it that the 4 hour MACD is golden crossed already, and pre-market 15:31 hour is very bullish. We have dark blue bar on daily and weekly, but pre-market intraday right now is showing a lot of bullish signs. So 483, 485 yesterday high. Past that one, 487. If 487.99 passes, those are the next level. AVGO went to 140 and bounced back up. 1040. I'm sorry, 1040 is just a major level. Touched it and it bounced up right now. If it goes above, Two key levels to watch is 1040 and 1055. 1055 passes, those are the next level. Below 1040, it can go down to 1000. Baba, this one is just a yo-yo, up and down. We got the dark blue bar on daily, so it's showing some weakness, starting showing some weaknesses. 73 is just it's holding around it. So if its direction, to be honest, is not clear right now. If it can hold 73 can go back to 7209 or 7108. If it jumps, we're looking at 7445, 7537. But I don't like that the daily MACD got that dark blue bar, and the weekly we got the red bars again. Netflix was very interesting yesterday. It opened and it jumped, and key level to watch is 479.84. Earning is in 3 weeks. If 480 can passes, we're looking at the 484.88, and those are the next level. For now, there is not much. 15 and 30 is kind of flat, so it's all about opening action. Meta, it was very interesting actually yesterday. It was market was going lower, but this one was holding up, and that was very interesting. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. I love that one. 30 and 1 hour MACD is golden cross. All about 347.28. If it passed that one, we're looking at 350 and 354.35 next levels. If at any time you see 1530 MACD dead cross, it can go lower again. Sorry about that. Tesla. 1530 is upward. 1 hour MACD is golden crossing again. 4 hour is not golden cross yet. They got recalls in China, but seems like a software fix. It went down to 235 and it bounced up, but not again, same like Amazon, not too much strong. So two key levels to watch is 237.7 and 237.9. If 237.9 passes, we can run up to 239, 242, 246. If 235 can hold it, 233, 232 is the next support there. Below 232, those are the next levels. Microsoft got an upgrade. This one was super weak yesterday into close, but so far is it went to 367 and it bounced up. Right now, 1530 1 hour is upward. 4 hour we got yellow bar. So two key levels to watch is 369.89 and 368.13. If 370 can pass, we're looking at 371, 373 and higher level. If 368 can hold it, back test 366, 365. In general, I don't like that the daily we got MACD is so much downward, and we don't have the weekly we have dark blue bar. So keep in mind, maybe it goes up, then it pulls back again. Google. Daily MACD's dead cross yesterday was just non-stop falling. 135 to 59. If it can hold it, we're looking at 134, 132, 131.82. Need to get above 136.48 for a run up to 137 and 139.36 again. AMD got an upgrade, 1 point higher. It went down, then it recovers. Right now, 1530 1 hour is upward. 4 hours near golden crossing. Key is 137.58. If it can pass that one, it can run back to 138, 140, and 142.72. But again, if it fails at 134, we're looking at 131, 129 support there. Boeing was interesting yesterday too. It jumped at open, then it went lower again. 4 hours near golden cross. Again, if it passes 244.75, we're looking at 247, 249.49 is the next target. If at any time breaks 243, next levels to watch is 240, 237, 235.61. SPY. Barely flat right now. It went red, then it's flat right now. So 467.45. If it can pass that one, we can go for recovery 468, 470, 471, 77. But if it goes and breaks the low of pre-market, which is 464, 464.15 level that I have, next major level is 463. 463 major. If next week breaks, we're looking at 461, 459, 457. For now, it's showing some bullish sign, but keep in mind that daily is downward and weekly stochastic fast is downward, so it is possible maybe we have some temporary jump up today, but then next week we go lower again. QQQ. Same thing like SPY, maybe some temporary jumps up. We'll see if it's going to be a solid run up or it's just going to be a temporary run up and then down again, same like yesterday. 396.46 if it passes, 399, 401.54 is the next target. If 3494.89 can hold it, next support, next levels are 390, 387.33. Pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hour is upward. A 4-hour MACD golden cross can get really interesting. IWM went to 190 and bounced up because TNX is pulling back. Two key levels to watch is 193.97 and 180 189.57. Breaks either one, can make a bigger move up or down. Daily is downward, 4 hour is not golden cross yet, so it's possible maybe goes lower again. TLT went down to all the way to 95.91, touchdown and bounce up. So 95.91 if it can't hold it, 94.98 is the next target. What else you got? Coin MSTR, if news come, they can jump up. Mara, same thing. LLY yesterday was very hot, but just keep in mind LLY last time that made a new all-time high, it next day went all the way and gave back and went lower. So 614, 612, if it can hold it, we're looking at 605, 600 to come. Need to get above 614.97 for run up to 619, 623. What else? If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comments. That's pretty much it on the major names. Airbnb was very hot yesterday too. It opened and jumped, 4 hour was golden cross and it got upgrade something, but right now it gave back all of it. So JP Morgan made a new all-time high yesterday. Roku 86.67, if it can't hold it, 84.43 is the next target there. MCD boycott in Middle East causing some trouble there. 287.66, if it can't hold it, 283, 281.67 is the next target. AFRM just non-stop going lower. 41.93 right now. Next target is 39.93. If it can't hold there, we can go to the lower level, 37, 34, 33. QS was crazy yesterday, 50% went higher, so keep an eye on that one. If it jumps up again, 10.53 and 12.11 is the next target. PanW, PanW is going lower right now to 79.35 is the next target. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much for tuning in. And futures are recovering, and 4700 SPX, if we can pass that one, it can run up to 4716. That's the next major level, 471602. So we'll see if we get there. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.